Yes, our today's program is a cloth showroom has announced the following festival discount on the purchase of items based on total cost of the item purchased. Okay, means whatever total cost is given, according to that they have given the discount. So what is the total cost? Less than 2000 rupees, then discount will be 5%. If the cost between 2001 to 5000, then discount will be 25%. And if the cost between 5001 rupees to 10,000, then the discount will be given 35%. And if the total cost will be greater than or above than the 10,000, then discount will be given as the 50%. Okay, then write a program to input the total cost to compute the display to compute and display the amount to be paid. Amount to be paid by the customer after availing the discount. See, first of all, we have to calculate the discount. 5%. 5% means what? 5% of the given cost. इस कॉस्ट का जो भी यूजर ने कॉस्ट इनपुट किया है उसका 5% डिस्काउंट. Suppose user is inputting 100, then we have to calculate the 5% of the 100. If user is inputting 150, then we have to calculate the discount on the 150, means 5% of the 150, right? Then after that 5%, suppose if we are going to the showroom and if we are getting the discount, then after deducting the discount we are paying the amount, right? Okay, so same here, after calculating the discount you have to pay the amount, means this discount will be deducted from the total cost, then you will pay the amount. Okay, but how many input I require over here? Only one input. Okay, only one input, cost. So public static void main, then here int cost. Okay, then in this cost, if checking if cost is less than 2000, okay, then I have to calculate the discount. So here I am declaring the discount. You can declare the discount in int or whatever you want. Here I'm declaring discount in in integer, right? So if this, then the discount equals to 5% of the cost. So you can write cost multiplied by 5 divided by 100, right? This is the formula to calculate the percentage. Okay, so percentage of this cost 5%. Okay, or you can write 0.05 cost multiplied by 0.05. That can also be written. Okay, because 5 divided by 100 is what? 0.05. That also you can write. Okay, then this is the calculation of the discount. This is the first condition. And only one statement we are going to write, so there is no need to write the braces. Only one statement we are writing because. Now second is else if. If we are having the more than one condition in the program, so only one condition we are going to give in the if, then after that we will use else if. Okay, see the else if. Then here cost is what? 2001 to 5000, but I think here should be less than equals to, so it should be less than equals to, so cost greater than 2000. Okay, and cost less than equals to 5000, right? So discount will be, we have to calculate the discount. We cannot give only the output, the discount will be 5% and only the 5% display. No, we have to calculate the discount. Okay, so here 25%. So here I'm writing 0.25. Then again, else if cost is greater than 5000 till the 10,000. So till the 10,000, and so discount will be calculated at 35%. Okay, then after it, else means greater than 10,000, then the discount will be calculated as 50%. Okay, but how much amount user is going to be paid? User will going to pay the amount after deducting the discount from the cost, right? So here I can declare one more variable, that is amount to be paid. Okay, then here in system dot out dot, directly in the system dot out dot I can deduct the amount, or I can use over here amount equals to cost minus discount, right? Suppose user is purchasing 100 rupees, worth of 100 rupees some item. Okay, so 100 का 5% पहले calculate होगा, then 100 minus that 5% is what, 5 rupees. Okay, so 100 minus 5 will be 95, so amount is going to be stored 95. System dot out dot println compute and display the amount to be paid. See, in the question it is given compute and display the amount to be paid. We have to display only the amount to be paid. So amount to be paid plus AMT is the variable. That is only. See that compilation. Okay. If I am writing this, then I have to declare these variable as the double, and here also it should be declared as the double because the 0.5 and discount is the integer. Okay, so here I'm changing it double, right? Now in the double default value we should give 0.0. Now compile, execute, void main. Suppose here I'm giving 100 rupees, so it should display 95.0. Okay, if I'm purchasing more than 10,000, suppose I'm giving 10,000 to 20,000. See that 13,000 only is to be paid. 13,000? No. See in the question. See in the question. 50%. Okay, so we have to calculate it 50%. Like it. Okay. 50%. So it is, see that 20,000. Yes, 50% discount. After deducting the 50% discount, I have to pay only 10,000. Right? Yes. This is the program. You can write. Now the time to tell your mistakes, that what the mistakes you can do or you are doing over here. First of all thing, very first thing, at the place of calculating the discount, what the people are doing, they are writing uh, like 5%. Okay, 5% of discount. No, they are writing discount equals to 5. No, that is wrong. Okay, or discount 5 mod by 100. What is the meaning of it? No, percent. This is the percent sign. In the question, this is the percent sign, right? Or in the if, they are writing like that, 2000 rupees, because it is mentioned na rupees. So they are writing this rupees. That is also wrong. We cannot make it here. If I am making it, see the rupees. Okay, so we cannot use the any literal value like rs. Okay, if it is a string, then in the double quotes. If it is a number, then only the number, all the digits are allowed. And here also some students are writing system dot out dot println discount equals to this, or they are only just giving that discount is 5%. Okay, no, it's okay if you are displaying the message that discount is 5%, but give the calculation of that discount also. Okay, that is also correct. If you are displaying, then after that you have to display the discount also. See what you can do in this case. If the discount equals to this, okay, then see here I'm forming the another block. Why I'm forming the block? Because I want to display this. So here you got the discount of 5%, that you can write. Okay, but you have to calculate. Calculation is must. If you are not writing this now, then also it's okay. It is not given in the program that display it. Okay, but if you want to display that, you can do that display also. But see what the thing you have to keep remember. This is 25%, I think. What you have to be keep remember, that if I want to execute more than one statement in the program, in the if block, then I have to form these blocks. Okay, these blocks is necessary for them. Then after it, if your cost is 35, okay, so here I can display the message. Calculation is already done. Okay, then after it, in the else, 50% discount, then you can write this 50% discount also you can write, right? Then after that you will calculate the amount to be paid and this. So in this way you can create the program. There are multiple logics to create the program, but we should create the program according to the given question. Now here I'm giving 20,000, it should display 10,000. See, you got the amount of 35, sorry, again we have to do it as the 50%. I didn't change in that. So amount is 50% discount. Now see that, compile, execute, 2000. Yes, then okay. See that 50% discount and amount to be paid 10,000. Okay, like that you can create your program. I hope it is understood by you. If there is any query, you can ask to me.